Indian winters come with a celebration for food, and in this category green peas occupy the highest position. These are seasonal vegetables and loved by one and all. Today we will be making green peas stuffed kachoris, or you can say puffed Indian bread, and they are so delicious, so tasty, and the taste accompanies very well with all-time favorite tea. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. And thank you all for supporting me and loving my channel so much. We hope to enjoy this journey together. So let's start making this great Indian delicacy. So for that I have taken a mixing bowl here. In it I'll add refined flour or Maida, we call it, around 2 cups. We need to make these kachoris which are really crunchy. So for that this dough needs to be done very well. To it I'll add salt as per taste, around 1 teaspoon approximately. Then I'll add 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee. So the ratio is for every 2 cups we need 1/4 cup of either ghee or oil. So I have taken here ghee. I have just taken some warm clarified butter. Now we need to mix it till it gets a crumbled texture in this way. So this is the common step we can apply for making any type of Indian kachori. The dough for the kachori needs to be done in this way. So my mixture is looking good here. Now we'll add water little by little and knead this dough to a normal consistency, neither too hard neither too soft. So this process takes a little patience. So my dough looks good now. I'll cover it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Till then we'll prepare our stuffing. So for the stuffing I have taken here a pan. I have added 2 teaspoon of oil here. What I have done is I have taken 2 tablespoon of dried coriander, 2 tablespoon of fennel seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. I have roasted them slightly and crushed them. So this is the masala trio we need for any kachoris, and apart from that I have taken half teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing. And then I have taken our main hero, crushed green peas, around 2 cups. Fresh green peas is a must for this recipe. You can also use a blender here. Just blend for 10 to 10 seconds, or so that we have both mixed, some blended and some whole green peas. In meanwhile my clarified butter or ghee has heated. We'll add half teaspoon of fennel seeds, let it crackle, and then we'll add peeled and finely chopped ginger, around half teaspoon, 3 finely chopped green chillies. It can differ according to your taste. So we need to mix all this well and let this release their goodness in the oil. Cook the whole process in medium flame. Now when we are done with the tempering, we'll add the crushed green peas. Green peas and combination with fennel and ginger goes very well, and we will mix this mixture or medium flame for around 4 to 5 minutes. Then we'll add the dry spices, red chilli powder, Asafoetida, and then we'll again mix for 2 to 3 minutes or till you can see the green peas have started to separate. And now we'll add the masala trio, the divine combination of fennel seeds, coriander seeds and cumin seeds, around 2 tablespoons of that mixture. Then we'll add black pepper powder half teaspoon. There goes garam masala around half teaspoon. And then lastly chaat powder around 1 teaspoon. It gives a very nice punch to this mixture. Mix all these ingredients well and roast it on low medium flame for around 4 to 5 minutes more, or till you can see the mixture has attained a nice golden color, see, and it has separated. So my mixture is done here. It took around roughly 11 to 12 minutes for one batch. Now we'll transfer this mixture to a bowl and let it cool, and I'll make small size balls for the stuffing. This makes the stuffing process easier. Now my dough is ready. What I'll do, I'll divide the dough to half, and I'll take one half and I'll roll on the rolling surface and pinch out small ball. Now I'll take one ball and I'll show you to make kachoris in 2 ways. First I'll take one ball. Now I'll apply some oil on the rolling surface as well as on the rolling pin. and I'll just apply gently in this way as I have shown in my video. My surface is done here. Now I'll take one ball and I'll start rolling to give a round shape, around diameter of 6 to 7 centimeters. You can see here. Do this process really carefully because we don't want a very thin kachori. The width should be this much, not too thin, not too thick. Now we'll place one stuffing in between, and what I'll do, I'll start stuffing it in this way as we do momos. In this way I'll start making pleats from one end and I'll complete till I reach the other side. Now I'll hold all the plates and bring them together towards up, sealing the kachori in this way and rotating it with one hand so that the top gets sealed. Now I'll pinch the top in this way. You can see in my video how I am doing, and remove the extra dough. This seals the kachori. Now I'll press gently, and with the help of rolling pin I'll just apply it gently, very gently. We don't want the stuffing to come out, just to a medium size, pancake size, see, in this way. Now for the second method, I'll use my hands. I'll start rotating and pinching the sides so that it gets a cup like shape. I'll press a stuffing in between, in the middle, and then I'll bring all the surface to make a ball like shape in this way, and at last I'll pinch the top end and again just seal it. I'll not take out the extra dough in this process, and in this way the kachori is done here. I'll again use a rolling pin to just make it flat, and very gently in the same way I'll make all the kachoris. Now I have heated oil in low medium flame. So this is the important thing to notice. Kachoris are fried in low medium flame, and drop them and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes you'll see the kachoris have puffed up, and at this time we just need to turn them over. You can see how my kachoris are puffed up, and we need to fry them again on both sides for around 4 to 5 minutes on low medium flame. So you can see how nice my kachoris are fried. Kachoris need to be cooked very well from inside to get that crunchy texture. So the whole process is done on low medium flame. So I'll fry my next batch of kachoris. 2 to 3 things are to be kept in mind for such yummy, delicious and crunchy kachoris. First, the dough, that should be kneaded very well, and second, we need to stuff the stuffing so that the stuffing doesn't come out, and third, the temperature of the oil. Kachoris are to be fried on low medium flame, and once you see them, they are puffed up, turn it over and fry on both sides. So the hot, delicious Indian kachoris are ready. They are a goodness because the taste are so awesome. Once you make it, you will love them. As you can see, I have served them here in a plate, and the best thing with this kachoris goes some tangy green chilies. Obviously those with Indian taste would love them. I have some chaat powder here, some black salt, and I have just fried and some green chilies slitted in half. I'll roll these in chaat powder and black salt so that they acquire the tangy taste, and I'll serve them with this kachoris. My beautiful hot crispy green peas kachoris or Matar kachoris are ready. Do try this version and you will love it. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell button, share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.